Hi, hello everyone. Welcome to Knowledge Sharpener. It's me Ashwath M Shetty. Please subscribe to our channel for more updates. Hello guys, welcome back to my Python basic tutorials class. It's me Ashwath M Shetty taking you people to understand the basic concepts of Python. So in day 1 class we already discussed about introduction to Python and importance over the other language and features of the Python and interpreters and interpreter execution mode. Guys, today we are going to discuss about the topics such as Python keywords, identifiers, variables, comments and objects. So let us start with the Python keyword. Guys, keywords are the reserved words. Each keyword have the specific meaning to the Python interpreter. If you want to use the keyword, we need to use that keyword for the particular purpose which it has been defined. So we need to use the keyword exactly as they have defined. So guys, let us see one example. I'm taking one example here. Keyword called false. This keyword is treated as correct in the Python interpreter, whereas if you write keyword as false with the starting letter small letter, interpreter treated it as wrong, because in the keywords list capital starting with a capital letter false is defined as it is. So we should use keyword like this only. We should not use this one. So understand, there are many keywords are there like class, try, if, elif, so many are there. Okay, let us move to the next topic, identifiers. Guys, identifiers are the names which are given to the variables, functions or any other entity in the program. So we need to define the identifiers, or we need to create the variable name or function name. There is some rules we have to follow in the Python language. I will show in the IDE now. Just open IDE of Python. The first rule is our identifier must begins with alphabets or underscore. For example, I am giving the identifier name ABC 1 2 3 and assigning the value 100. Okay, it accepts. So I will just print for your reference ABC 1 2 3. It print the value. One more case I will show. Underscore ABC 1 2 3 is equal to 100. Okay, and I will print the value now. Take down underscore ABC 1 2 3. So it gives the value. That means we can give the variable name or function name that begins with the alphabets. Alphabets may be any case, uppercase or lowercase, anything, and it may begin with the underscore. That is fine, that is no problem, but it should not begin with the numbers. Just check 1 2 3 ABC. If I give 1000, syntax error, invalid syntax. For example, with the capital letter, so it takes. Okay, so that we come to know that we can give our identifiers starting with any combination of uppercase or lowercase and underscores. And one more thing, our identifier name should not contain any other symbols like at and hash and dollar like this. It also shows syntax error, invalid syntax. Well guys, we'll move to our next topic, variable. A variable is a name identifier which holds some value in the memory. A variable may contain any values. It may contain string, it may contain numeric or a combination of alphanumeric. If you want to create the variable and assign the value to the variable, we are going to use the assignment statement. So guys, let us see how we can create and working with the variable. Just go to the IDE. I am going to create variable. I will show different types of variable now. For example, gender is equal to, I am giving the value string male, and class I am giving the value 12. So subject, okay, computer science, I will use 1 2 3. combination of string and number. Now print, just I will take subject only, or else you can take more that gender also, and class also, class, and save it, Control S, save variable, just where I will give, and run here. Unexpected indent. So I told last class you have to maintain the correct indentation. So if you are fail to maintain indentation, exactly you will get the error. Okay, we are getting the output now. So this is the variable terms. So now we'll move to our next topic, comments. Guys, comments are the section of statements we are going to write in our source code. It helps to understand the source code easily by the people. For example, comments in the Python starts with the hash symbol. Whatever you write in front of the hash symbol until that last line, it will not executed by the interpreter. Guys, comments are very much useful whenever you are working with a team or you are working with a collaboratively. For example, if your teammates want to understand your any code of block, your comment will guide them. Okay, let us see how we can create the comment now. Open any file now. I will create one variable called amount. By seeing this amount, no one can understand what amount which value is storing this variable. So to make easy of that, we'll describe the variable. Variable amount is storing total spending of grocery. So now everyone can easily understand whatever the spending on the grocery, that value is stored in the variable amount. Okay, now we'll display this by using print statement, print amount. It should not now display that comment. Okay, save it and run it. Run module. So 1000, it's giving only the value present in the variable amount. It's not printing this comment. Now let us move to our next topic, object. Guys, Python treats every value or data as an object. It may be a numeric, or it may be a string, or it may be any other type. I will discuss data type in next classes. So it treated as object. Whenever the Python objects created, the interpreter assigns some identity number or ID value. The Python ID that will be remain constant until its lifetime of the variable. Let us see how we can create variable, and let's check its ID of variable. So now I am creating variable called num1 and assigning the value 10. And to check the variable ID, we need to use the function called ID function. So ID function and mention the variable name now, num1. So we are getting the ID value now. So now create another variable called num2 and assign the value some value. Now just check its value, ID value, that is for the num2. So both are the different value we are getting, since they are having the different values in their memory. Well guys, today we have come to the end of the topic. Let us wind the class. So I hope everything is clear now. If you have any doubt and questions, please leave a comment. And for the material, you can look at the description. I am giving the link of the materials I have used. Thank you very much. Have a good day.